guys, this is my 64 Cadillac valve. It needs a little bit of work out. As you can see, it's a 4-door. We combine it into a 2-door. We're gonna close this down. The trunk we're gonna extend a little bit, and basically the idea with this caddy is to make it a hot rod. Simple, just fix these rusted parts, flat black color, pinstripe, using its engine, and yeah, well, that's basically it. Simple, no hard stuff. Classic. It's beautiful, but it's very detailed. My respect for those who restore classic cars and muscle cars. So this is it's gonna be a hot rod. Don't know yet if I will take it to the track. We have a drag racing track on the island of Aruba. I'm thinking about taking it, but what I'm thinking also is the body weight. And talking about drag racing, you need a lightweight body for drag. But let's have some fun with it, and I will keep in touch with you guys on how we are gonna restore this 64 Cadillac DeVille into a hot rod. Right? Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.